Welcome back. New COVID-19 cases have been soaring nationwide, especially in the Midwest. Gabe Gutierrez reports on what the region is doing to stop the spread.
This morning, new COVID clusters are ravaging the Midwest. In Chicago, cases have been rising rapidly by more than 500 a day.
Make no mistake, we are in the second surge.
Some businesses in Illinois may face tighter restrictions by the end of the week.
If you're getting tired and you've let your guard down, now is the time to pick it back up.
In Missouri, the positivity rate has soared to more than 21%. In Nebraska, they're facing record hospitalizations. At this nursing home in Kansas, 10 people have died from COVID and dozens of residents are sick. In rural South Dakota, Dr. Tom Dean says his county had no COVID cases for about 2 months. Then it saw 11 in one day.
But we still see school athletic events and things like that where we see people crowding together. We see very few masks, even though I keep preaching it.
A nursing home outbreak took the life of his 100-year-old father. In North Carolina, where COVID deaths have also reached a record high, healthcare workers do understand.
It's real. It's very real. There's probably another day I don't cry.
And the toll may be even higher. A new CDC report suggests the official number of COVID deaths might be an underestimate, finding more than 299,000 excess deaths in the U.S. from late January through October. Across the country, new confrontations over wearing masks in public, from outside this grocery store in Washington State to a coffee shop in San Diego.
It's a hoax.
Emotions also running high here in Illinois, the state with the second highest number of new cases in the U.S.
We feel like professional soccer goalies just trying to keep people safe until their bodies can recover. And it's fine for us to do that when we have a couple balls coming at us. But when it comes to 100, you can't keep all those balls out.
The CDC also strongly recommends masks while traveling on airplanes, trains, and public transportation. This comes after the White House opposed making it a federal mandate. And drug overdose deaths in the U.S. appear to have risen during the coronavirus pandemic. That's according to a new report from the Associated Press. Preliminary data from 9 states show drug-related deaths are back on track to reach record highs this year. For example, the state of Kentucky had almost as many overdose deaths by the end of August as it had in all of 2019. Addiction experts believe job loss, isolation, and disrupted treatment for drug abuse have contributed to the spike.